4 sliced bread. A half cup water. Remove excess water. A half kg potatoes boiled. Mash well. One teaspoon red chili powder. A half teaspoon garlic powder. 1 teaspoon salt. A half teaspoon black pepper powder. 3 to 4 tablespoons corn flour. 2 tablespoons fresh coriander leaves. 2 green chill chopped. Mix well. One tablespoon mustard paste. Mix well. Grease the hand. A half cup cooking oil. Cook on low flame until light golden.